Hi everyone, my name is Shannon and I'm one of the reading specialists with Preschool Readers. I have 3 awesome students today starting at 4:30, so hop back on later and follow along with me. See you guys soon. Found all of the hearts that say all in them? Great job, Piper. How many did you find? Can you count and tell me how many of the hearts say all?
3.
3. Let's see. 1, 2, 3. Great job. All right, now we're going to do the next one. And the next word is going to be red. And our sight word is B-Y, buy. Can you find all of the hearts that say buy and color them red? All right, what number should we try next?
5.
5. Is that our smiley face?
R.
That does say R. Good job. Okay, what's next?
1.
1. You did it! You found him! Good job. He couldn't trick you this time. All right, your turn. Roll the dice. Nice roll. What'd you get?
4.
4. Let's move ahead 4 spaces. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, what does that say?
I like to play
Games
with you.
Good job. Can you ski like Santa?
Let's stop when I say freeze.
All right, they said freeze. Go ahead and read the word.
Do.
Good job. That does say do. Nice work. Keep going.
Get ready to do the jingle bell.
Jingle bell hop. All right, everyone, it's just about time for my last session of the day. I hope you guys had a great time following along with me. Three. Let's see. Fingers crossed. Or a 4. You're right. Roll it. 1, 3, 4. 1, 3, 4. Yes, we got it. 4. All right, John, go ahead. Click on number 4 and then read the sentence.
She is glad.
Nice job reading that L.